Hey Skinny, it's Nick here. Happy Easter. I hope that everyone has had a wonderful time this weekend, and if you're in Australia, you're enjoying the long weekend and relaxing. I'm not doing any cooking tonight because it's just me. So I wanted to show off the dump bags for Dinners For. I hate the name, but they were so popular the last few books that we're just going to keep doing them because like I said, people just absolutely love them. If you've not heard of what that is before, I will show you so that it makes some sense. They are essentially like slow cooked freezer meals that you prep ahead of time. We have these amazing little labels that you print out and stick on with instructions. And then on the day when you want to cook dinner, well, the night before, you would pop this in the fridge to defrost. And then in the morning, just chuck it in your slow cooker. Follow the instructions. So for example, for the Hungarian chicken paprikash, you just thaw this, put it in the slow cooker, cook it, and then with 30 minutes to go, you add the corn flour and the sour cream. That's it. So we give you instructions here. I know it's backwards, but you just have to trust me that we give you instructions here. So we've got 12 of these, and when you purchase Dinners For during the pre-sale, you get an ebook as a free bonus. After the pre-sale, that ebook will go into the shop to buy, as per our last couple of books. But it is a free bonus if you purchase during the first lot of pre-sales. So I'll show you the rest of them. We've got the Hungarian chicken paprikash. Now, in the book, there's the coconut miso salmon curry, but the dump bag is done with chicken, so it's coconut miso chicken curry. And that one, all you do is, when it's ready to serve, you stir through the baby spinach. That's it. I just got to grab a towel. That was burning my hands. So cold. All right, what's next? We got chicken and chorizo roast pasta. So this one here, thaw it, put it in the slow cooker, give it a stir up. Then with 40 minutes to go, you put your pasta in, and that's it. Pasta and cream with 40 minutes to go. We got the chicken pizzeolia. This one here, you don't do anything with it. You just thaw it, put it straight in the slow cooker, and let it cook as per the instructions. Very, very easy. And then I've got one more made up to show you. This is the mustard, honey, and herb chicken. This is a whole chicken here that's marinated. And literally all you do is defrost it, put it in the slow cooker, and it's ready to go. So you can see why these were so popular the last few books. My mum actually loves these dump bags. She only just finished the last of the ones that we did for the Mediterranean book. So they were really, really popular in my mum's house, and very popular with families and people who work really long jobs or hard jobs where you really don't feel like cooking when you come home. They're going to be so good for winter. So it's actually pouring down with rain here in Adelaide, and I can tell you, if I had one of these in the slow cooker tonight, it would be fantastic. So yeah, that's all. I just wanted to talk about the dump bags, let you all know, because people have been asking if we were going to keep doing them for this book, and Brooke is amazing. She's been working really hard on them, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much to Brooke for putting this bonus together for all of us in the Skinnymixers community. Thank you, Brooke. We love you. If you have any questions about the dump bags, let me know in the comments and we will answer them. But otherwise, just to recap, when you purchase after next Friday, Dinners For, you get a free ebook that has all of the instructions and all of the labels that you need to print to be able to make 12 of the recipes from Dinners For as prep ahead slow cooker dump bags. And once the pre-sale is over, the ebook will be going into the shop as something that you can purchase as, like an additional cost. So it's mainly our way of saying thank you and adding value to our books without having to make the books bigger and more expensive, pretty much. So we're doing free digital content that you download as like a companion to the books, yeah. If you have cooked with the dump bags for the previous few books, please let us know in the comments, just to let people know that they are really good. I know they're fantastic and I know that they are really popular, but if someone's never done this style of cooking before, they might be wondering, is it as good as what Nick says? Don't trust me. Read the comments, because I'm sure that some people will chime in very soon and let you all know that these are awesome. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to pop these back in the freezer and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my long weekend. I'll see you all tomorrow. I am cooking for dinner the creamy bacon, broccoli, chicken pasta. I don't know what we actually ended up calling it, but it's creamy chicken, broccoli, bacon pasta. So I will go live cooking that tomorrow night and show it off for you all. Have a good weekend, you guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.